praise and peace.
I was presented with two opportunities: the right way or the wrong way. The right way means that I have to suffer. I didn't have anything. My women, poor, I know what it means to be poor. I had no clothes. I wore one jeans for like over 2 years with holes on the jeans. Out of frustration, I got married. I had 3 beautiful children, but it ended up in divorce, and I became what? Nobody again. I had to start from all over, because the man said, without him, I cannot be anybody. And I said, no, I will be somebody without you.
When it seems like everything around is trying to pull you down, just believe and you will achieve. That's the way. It's now or never. They are fast. I am faster. They are strong. Oh, I'm stronger. I'm the best.
My princess, we know that you came. We know that you saw. And we know that you are conquering. God will bless you in Jesus' name.
I will start by saying, to be a woman, it means a land, a country.
In Nigeria and across the world, women have demonstrated resilience.
When you constantly hear or listen to people tell you that you're a success, we need to advocate towards success. So when you bring women together and teach them and talk to them and also enlighten them and educate them on the path to follow and what to do that is right, they're going to get that awareness. So we are creating awareness through the conference. Not only awareness, we now take them from creating awareness to physical, skill acquisition, and then also mentorship.
Your story is your change, your armor, your tool.
Are you a woman who feels like, I don't get one pikin, I don't get 2 pikin, this is how it earns?
I firmly believe that investing in women is one of the most impactful choices anyone can make. When I invest in a woman, I invest in families, communities, and future generations.